Binar 1990 is a financial partnership reward model structure, of which is a binary tree consisting of left and right branch from infinity into recess. Why is this financial model of remuneration so demanded and so high in profit? Let's specify the main reasons. There is no limit or cuttings in income. Earned funds are being deposited instantly on your wallet and become immediately available for withdrawal in full. Income is derived from lower value in the branch. An important factor is multi-currency of positions that allows you to earn income in different currencies. Binar is team marketing. For example, you activated a position for $100. At first month of work, you recommend it to your 2 friends. They follow you in Binar 1990. Next month, your activated friends will also activate 2 partners each. In this way, binary marketing is completed, and on the 12th month, you will have a structure of 8,190 partners and earn more than $54,000. Your first 2 invited friends will earn $27,000 each. Let's imagine the situation if each partner in your team is activated not for $100, but $1,000. Your income will make up more than $500,000, and your first 2 friends have $272,000 each. For those partners who are confident in their abilities and strive for great results, this is a strategy of doubling and tripling the result. You need to activate 3 or 7 positions in binary respectively for execution of task. To fill not 2 positions below you, but 4 or 8. Then you will receive for each activation in binary marketing 2 or 3 times more money on your wallet. Binary Marketing 1990 is popular in more than 160 countries in the world. Thousands of people have proven on practice its high marketing profitability. Good luck, and see you soon!